Tesla is officially breaking out on the daily chart today. We are going to take a look at this. We are going to take a look at the stock indices, gold, silver, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Tesla closed at 460.55, up $8.13, 1.1% higher. Let's take a look at what this number means on our chart. 460.65, where does that take us? Let's go back to the first principles. We are still into our bullish channel. Tesla is still between these two lines. We are still into a smaller bullish channel within the bigger bullish channel. This is also true. At the same time, we have multiple patterns. At the same time, we were in this congestion zone between 410.25 and 452.91. This has changed. We closed higher than 452.91. What does this mean? It means that Tesla is breaking out. It means that where the sellers used to push the stock down, the sellers cannot push the stock down anymore. The buyers are overpowering the sellers, and the sellers have now to pay higher for a Tesla share today than they were yesterday, and even back to September 18th. So this is a breakout. We had a similar breakout October 1st. It did not last a long time. We had a breakout, then sellers came in and pushed it down. So yes, this could happen again. This remains to be seen, but it is still a breakout. We could not break above 452.91 many times, and sometimes even going lower many times, and now boom, we broke above. So this is still a breakout. Now we are stopping at 467. This is fine. 467 is the high that we had December 16, 2024. So it's normal that we are going to encounter the same resistance that we were encountering at that point. So 467 is a resistance that was there in the past. And also we are going to have 484, which is the all-time high. 484 is still going to bug us. After that, we are cleared to go. After 484, we are cleared to go to 530-ish. So this is what we have in stock. This is nice. This is super nice. It's normal for a stock to encounter previous resistance and getting temporarily stopped by them. So let's hope that it's only temporarily. And in the meantime, we have this buy signal that you can use. I would use a stop loss at 440.13 or just a little bit lower. So great day for Tesla. Let's take a look at the VIX. VIX climbing a little bit higher today. We are at 1641, up 86%. We have the FOMC meeting tomorrow, so I think this is why the VIX is climbing a little bit higher. There's a little bit of uncertainty. People are a little bit nervous about what is going to happen tomorrow, but everybody is expecting a lowering of the rates. If it happens, I don't know if this will have this huge effect in the market, but if we don't have it, of course, this is not going to be good, but we should have it. Dow Jones cooling down a little bit, still closed higher. We have this red candle. This candle sometimes indicates that we should be reversing at least short term. SPX continuing to climb 0.23% higher. Now we are really sitting down outside of its bullish channel resistance. So this is breaking out of a previous bullish channel resistance. This is good news. QQQ, the same thing. It did it yesterday and it's now continuing. This is all good news too. Nasdaq also continuing higher, and it is right now at its bullish channel resistance. It's possible that we cave into 25,222. That would not be out of the ordinary. If we break above that red line right here, then this is going to mean that we could be going much higher. And much higher, we already have a previous bullish channel that we came outside of it. And now we would be getting back inside of it. So we could be looking at Nasdaq in the 27,000 quite shortly if we break this one right here. Russell is zigzagging a lot, so this one is cooling down a little bit, but we are still above the 21-day moving average. We still have stochastic over 60 and the other indicators. Let's take a look at gold and silver. So gold continuing its move down. Silver stabilizing a little bit, but nothing there. There's no momentum in that one either. Either gold or silver, there's no momentum there. We should let them drop before picking them up again eventually. Bitcoin, for the past 2 days, we cooled down a little bit. Now we are bouncing on support, so this is good news, but we still don't have stochastic over 60. Our reversal indicator is not bullish. The momentum is still not there. It has made nice gains for the past week, but we are not out of the woods yet. If we close above 116, 179 right here, we should be good to go much higher, go back at least to 123,000. Ethereum, also nice day. So after 2 days of pulling back, now we are having a green day, so we are going to take it. And BMNR doing okay. We are just going sideways. And BMNR, we have an earnings call tomorrow. So this is going to be interesting to see what is going to happen with it. And still also with BMNR, just like Ethereum, there's no momentum yet. It has done a nice move recently, but it's not convincing enough that we can say that it is going to continue. If we start breaking above 55.78, then we can start to conclude that. But tomorrow is going to definitely make things happen a little bit quicker. Let's hope it is going to be on the upside instead of on the downside. Yeah, great day for Tesla. If you were waiting for a time to get back into Tesla, this is the time. It failed recently, but we were close to the resistance side of the bullish channels. It is always risky to buy at that point. Now we are on the support side of the bullish channel, and buying on the support side is always better. So chances are we should be able to continue this way. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.